Hi, this is Brad Linder with Liliputing, and I'm here with the Cube i6 tablet, which geekbuying.com is going to be selling starting in March. And it's a Android tablet with an Intel Atom Bay Trail processor, but it's also a Windows tablet with an Intel Atom Bay Trail processor. It's not two different versions of the tablet, but the same tablet. So let's take a quick look at some of the features here. You can see that it's got a 9.7-inch display. It's about the same size as an iPad in terms of screen size. Same resolution too. It's 2048 by 1536, and it's running Android 4.4 KitKat software. This is a brand new unit that still actually has a little plastic on the cover, so the screen is going to be a little bit more responsive than what I'm showing you. But we're looking at a demo unit, and we don't have an internet connection right now, but you can see that we've got pictures, multitasking. Overall seems relatively responsive. And then if we press this, that's not the button I wanted to press. If you pull down from the top and hit the button that says OS switch, it'll actually reboot into Windows. So let's see what it looks like when it's doing that. Got a little bit of glare here, but we've got some text. The Cube logo. At least I think it's the Cube logo. So there are a number of Chinese tablet makers that are offering dual boot tablets, many with specifications that are similar. Intel's Bay Trail processor, high resolution displays, and runs the full Windows operating system. Now this is a pre-release sample, so it's running a preview version of Windows 8.1 with Bing, but it'll be available with a fully licensed version of the application. So you can see that we've got support for touch-based applications. We've got support for desktop-style applications, and if we come in here, we can click press and hold, go to Properties, and see that it's the Cube i6 with an Atom Z3735 processor, 2 gigabytes of RAM, and let's check storage. Looks like it probably has 32 gigabytes of storage. Now there's only 13.4 gigabytes free, but that's because we've got part of the system reserved for Android, part of it for Windows. There is, I believe, a micro SD card slot, so if you need extra storage space, you might want to sort of keep a fast one in there if you want to install applications, although it's going to be best for files, documents, pictures, and so on. In terms of what the tablet looks like, it's relatively compact. We've got a micro USB port here on the side, power and volume buttons, headset jack, and something I forgot to mention about this model is that it also supports 3G. So there's a SIM card slot that you can use, as well as a micro SD card slot for extra storage or for connecting to the internet. Now it is a Chinese tablet, so it's going to work with Chinese 3G networks. It'll probably support at least 2G in the US, depending on your network, and if you're lucky, you might be able to find a way to use it in other parts of the world with 3G as well. Front and rear cameras, a speaker here on the back, and that's the Cube i6, an Android tablet from China. One of several tablets that have similar specifications, the dual boot capabilities, something that we're not really seeing from US tablet makers right now, but that companies like Cube are doing. And again, I'm looking at this because the folks at geekbuying.com are sharing it with me, and they'll be selling it in March. Check out liliputing.com or geekbuying.com for pricing information.